Alright, it's time to install an equalizer for our 48-volt battery setup made up of 4 12-volt batteries. First thing first, let's ensure that those 4 batteries needing balance are connected in series, like links in a chain. Now, the entire battery setup features 2 main cables, one positively charged and the other negatively charged. Think of this as the main terminals, the big players in the mix. Now let's dive into the crucial element of the BE48-N connection. There are 3 essential points to bear in mind. Point 1. Take those 4 sets of red-black cables, working with each set individually, left to right. Connect them to batteries. Attach the red wire to the positive terminal of the battery, and the black wire to the negative terminal. Each set of red-black wires should exclusively connect to just one battery. Point 2. The battery should be connected in the following order. Start with the battery connected to the overall negative terminal, then proceed to 2 batteries in series in between, and finally connect the battery linked to the overall positive terminal. Point 3. While you are putting these connections together, take off each terminal cover individually. This small step prevents any unintended contact between the connector on the ports that are not connected yet. We are steering clear of any short circuit here, so patience is key. By keeping these 3 essential points in mind, you are all set. Your battery connection will be solid, and those batteries will be nicely balanced.